Did not know.
For the first time, U.S. President Donald Trump says he knows exactly what's in the audio tape surrounding the death of the Saudi journalist Jamal Khashoggi.
It's a suffering tape. It's a terrible tape. I've been fully briefed on it. There's no reason for me to hear it. In fact, I said to the people, should I? They said, you really shouldn't. There's no reason. I know everything that went on in the tape without having to.
And what happened?
Trump revealed this information during an interview he taped on Friday, the same day that several newspapers reported that, according to the CIA, Khashoggi was killed on orders of the Saudi Crown Prince, Mohammed bin Salman. Trump's position during the interview and the White House's position now, it's still too soon to say who ordered Khashoggi's murder.
I don't know. Who can really know?
What if the Crown Prince, speaking to you, the President of the United States, directly lied to you about
it? He told me that he had nothing to do with it. He told me that, I would say, maybe 5 times.
In the last 2 years, Trump and his son-in-law, Jared Kushner, had grown close to the Crown Prince. They see him as key to their goal of isolating Iran and to promoting U.S. economic growth. But on Capitol Hill, the idea that Mohammed bin Salman is a friend of the U.S. is dying.
I'm going to do whatever I can to place blame where I believe it lies. I'm going to put it at the feet of the Crown Prince, who has been a destructive force in the Mideast. He embargoed Qatar without telling anybody. This war in Yemen's got completely out of control. He put the Prime Minister of Lebanon under house arrest. It's clearly this guy's a wrecking ball.
Some in Congress say Trump's long-running hatred of the intelligence community is keeping him from doing the right thing.
The president needs to listen to what our intelligence community has to say, what our best professionals' assessment is, and it's vitally important that this administration not allow itself to become part of any Saudi cover-up.
And while the U.S. has imposed sanctions on 17 Saudi officials, others in Congress are pushing for much tougher punishment.
We need to punish who ordered this, who's in charge, and really the only thing they understand over there is strength.
Already, there are 2 efforts underway in Congress to block arms sales to the Saudis, not just to end the civil war in Yemen, but also to send a message to the White House. It won't be allowed to ignore the indefensible. Rosiland Jordan, Al Jazeera, Washington.